Compliance isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about protecting your business, staying one step ahead of risk, and making sure you can grow without getting stuck in red tape. This is what Anqa offers, a smart, affordable compliance platform built for real-world teams across Africa, Asia, and beyond. Let's take a look. At the heart of Anqa is the KYC Hub. It's your source of truth. Every customer you onboard flows through here. It's where identity records, documents, risk scores, and screening results all come together. No spreadsheets, no chaos. Think of it as mission control for your compliance team. And with Anqa's digital onboarding, you can onboard customers remotely. Even in rural or hard-to-reach communities, just send a secure invite via email or WhatsApp. Your customer uploads their ID, takes a selfie, confirms key details, and hits submit, all from their phone. On your end, it's fast, clear, and audit-ready. Next, Anqa builds a dynamic risk profile, factoring in geography, transaction patterns, product usage, and third-party exposure. Customers tell you why they're opening the account and how they expect to use your services. This sets a baseline. So if behavior ever drifts from what they said, you'll know it's time to take a closer look. And when it comes to sanction screening, we go further than most. Every screening checks against global watch lists updated daily, as well as your own internal list of people or entities you don't want to engage with. Our system uses all your CRM data, name, date of birth, nationality, ID numbers, to detect exact matches. Matches are flagged clearly in red, so you can tell, at a glance, whether it's a real hit or just a false positive. No more wasting time second-guessing every alert. All modules, onboarding, screening, monitoring, also feed into the KYC Hub. It's fully integrated, so everything connects. That means smoother investigations, faster audits, and less time jumping between tools. And because compliance shouldn't be a luxury, Anqa's pricing reflects that. Starter packages from just $35 a month, with no surprise fees and no long-term commitments. And your team gets access to free training, regulation guidelines, and more, all on our website. Ready to move faster, stay compliant, and grow with confidence? Visit anqacompliance.com to get started.